So I know you guys are like, where's Amir? It's actually really crammed back here and I can't move at all. Forgot. And the key with me, I can't get out. I'm just joking. Relax, I'm right here. And for the longest time, all the content that you guys have been watching me produce, whether it be YouTube shorts, my YouTube vlogs, my TikToks, speed hub videos, whatever you have watched has all been produced with my iPhone 15 Pro Max. But now I have a Sony FX30. It's not an FX3, but it's an FX30. As I go through this learning curve, I would really appreciate you guys give me feedback on my editing and maybe my filmmaking in general. I just farted. For this video, we're gonna be getting the STI ready to go on the road. Right now, we're actually gonna go pick up my STI. That's 2.5 hours away. Mango's excited for the tune. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can hear behind me, but I lost my voice like 2 days ago because I was screaming. This morning we have to go and get the STI finally tuned. It's ready to go. So we're gonna take the 1 hour drive up to Netronics and we're gonna go get the car tuned. So yeah, let's go do that right now. Netronics absolutely fucked up my tune, kind of. We found a bunch of other issues, so yeah. Now we're gonna go replace my PCV. So my car has actually been giving me a lot of issues recently since I got the retune. I'm showing all the symptoms of a bad PCV. This is the PCV that goes on the EJ257, and today we're gonna be replacing the PCV. Intercooler's gotta come off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And get this off. Let's see if I can do it. See, I took my air cooler off. There is so much oil in my intercooler there, as well as there. So that's a great indication that it's my PCV, hopefully. This is the PCV right there. And there's a small hose that goes up and under the throttle body. It's really hard to get to, so I think I'm gonna leave mine on. Mine doesn't look in too bad condition. Looks like that. Gonna slide it off that nipple, and then we'll give it a tug, and hopefully it should come out. But it's very crammed in there. And just like that, we removed it off the nipple. Now we're gonna unlatch it right there. So we gotta take this clip, click it down, take it out. Should come off just like that. Okay, so we got my old PCV system off, kind of. Not really much shaking. But this is the bottom. And there was a crack right there. But I think that was from me trying to get it off. But this clamp is at the very bottom, like this. This is the new one. Okay, so we got the new PCV seated in there at the bottom. We reused the old hose and we put the new clamp, so should be good. Last thing we have to do is just plug this in and then start putting everything back on. But yeah, believe it or not, I actually decided to get the carbon hood, and today we're gonna go pick it up. I was actually just gonna keep this hood, but the damage on the hood was pretty extensive, and after doing some research, I mean, you can't really tell right now, but there's a lot of damage on the hood. The hood pretty much needs to be refinished, so it's a lot cheaper to actually just get the carbon hood. So what we're gonna do today is we're just gonna take this hood off. It's already halfway off if you can't tell. And yeah, we're gonna go pick up the carbon hood. I'm gonna attempt to drive the car with no hood, and I think that shouldn't be an issue, but we'll see how it looks after. I'm not gonna tell you which carbon hood I got, but I'm pretty sure you guys have an idea. Accidentally didn't film too much. I got a carbon hood like maybe 2 or 3 days ago, I can't remember, but I just want to show you guys. This made the biggest difference since I got the car. This thing is absolutely like perfect. I love it. I also picked up a rim yesterday from Raptors Racing. I got a replacement for it. I'll show you the rim, but look at this hood. Like, this hood is like absolutely like, this thing is nice. Like, I like it. Like, that carbon, I don't know, it's definitely doing it for me. This is definitely the hood I wanted. Like, this thing is perfect. It is a Varis hood, but you know, it matches the Varis kit. I also got some bird shit right there. But let me show you guys this rim, because this rim is actually diabolical. All right, on the camera, but it got chewed the fuck up. Look at that. Like, this thing, I tried to see if it was repairable, but it's not. So ultimately, and yeah, there's a little scuff mark right there, which is not the worst thing, but this rim, semi-truck like pushed me over, and he didn't notice me even though I was honking, and I couldn't like slow down because there was a car behind me and he didn't notice either. So he kept pushing me over in this guy's lane. So the back rear wheel of my car like gently like tapped this car that was here. So like the front left of their car, which honestly, I'm really happy because we weren't going too fast. It could have been a lot worse. But like I said, things do happen. So it's just the name of the game. You got to keep pushing. So yeah, we got the rim. Thankfully, I have real rims because I have a feeling if these were reps, that little impact might have caused them like to explode or something. So my rim ate all the damage. W-Ray rims. These are coming from like my TikTok or Instagram because I've been getting a lot of followers there. I have to show you guys this. This is my car's rock collection. So my car is actually likes to collect rocks. Let me know what you guys think of the hood. Honestly, if you guys like the hood or you prefer the blue hood. If you guys want to see more of my face and you want to see more content and more uploads from me, go check out my Instagram and my TikTok. I post a lot more related Subaru and car content there. And yeah, if you like automotive content in general, follow Speed Hub as well because we post quite often all types of cars. What do you think? It's crazy, eh? I don't know, I think it pushes like 800 or something. 800? 750. I don't know. What comes out of here though? Honestly, I'm gonna end the video right here. I know this video has been super short, but we're gonna do a leak down test on the car tomorrow. Fingers crossed everything goes well. I'm just at this beautiful location. Hopefully I don't get kicked out because I'm definitely not supposed to be on the grass right now. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for our next one. And yeah, go check out my socials. Peace.